What you just saw was not just an AI-generated clip. It was a directed scene built and controlled entirely inside a browser. Today I'm showing you Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0, one of the most advanced cinematic AI video tools available right now. Higgsfield is focused on cinematic AI creation. Cinema Studio 2.0 goes beyond single clips. It allows you to direct scenes with full control over camera, lens, movement, pacing, and characters. This is a shift from AI clips to AI filmmaking. Inside the studio, you first create your base image. You can select camera sensor, lens, focal length, aperture. You can explore the scene in 3D space to refine composition, or generate a grid to build your storyboard. This changes the creative workflow completely. Once the hero frame is ready, you animate it. Multi-shot storytelling allows up to 6 connected scenes. Each scene has custom duration, specific camera movement, precise timing control. Genre selection changes pacing and motion logic. Action increases energy. Horror slows movement and builds tension. Comedy adjusts reaction timing. This is cinematic language applied to AI. You can add up to 3 characters, assign different emotions per scene, write dialogue, and generate automatic lip sync. This enables narrative continuity. One of the strongest features is motion timing control. You can build custom ramps with nodes, slow motion, acceleration, dynamic peaks, all during generation. Cinema Studio 2.0 is not just an AI video generator. It is a directing environment. The level of control makes the difference. One interesting aspect is how this tool changes the way you think about a scene. It's no longer just about writing a prompt and hoping for a good result. Here, you work with intention. You decide what to show, how long it lasts, from what distance, and with what energy. That brings the process much closer to traditional directing. Many AI tools focus on immediate visual impact. Cinema Studio focuses on structure. The difference is subtle but important. It's not just random motion. It's controlled movement placed inside a coherent sequence. And that changes the final result significantly. Timing is probably one of the most underestimated aspects of video generation. A scene can look visually impressive, but if the pacing is wrong, it loses impact. Here, we can directly shape the timing. We can slow down to build tension, accelerate to increase energy, or create a gradual crescendo. That level of control makes a real difference. Looking at Higgsfield, the platform made an impact from the very beginning, standing out for its strong potential to bring together some of the best AI technologies available while consistently keeping up with the latest innovations. Let's take a quick look at the platform and see how Higgsfield integrates seamlessly into this new landscape for digital creators, and perhaps even acts as the director behind all these tools. To give a few quick examples of what a small part platform can do, you can create and edit images and videos using some of the most advanced models currently available. You can use built-in tools to generate ads, promote products, and even create digital influencers. There are face swap capabilities, and we've seen the potential popcorn to build sequential scenes. You can integrate different AI features directly into your content pipeline with flexibility and control. And now, with the major upgrade of Cinema Studio, another step has been taken toward directing truly professional-level content. In this evolving ecosystem, Higgsfield is not just another tool. It positions itself as a central creative environment for modern digital filmmaking. I'll be testing it more extensively in the coming weeks and working on a cinematic project to publish on the channel, just like I did with the first version of Cinema Studio. Cinema Studio 2.0 is not just an AI video generator. It is a directing environment. The level of control makes the difference. You can find all the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.